So this is what I'm talking about. If you go to your zero trust in Cloudflare, you can download it, the application, and then just install it 1 second in the network. So you see tunnels, Cloudflare tunnels. Yes, it's called Cloudflare tunnels. So you can install this Cloudflare app or something. This is like a CLI tool, and it connects it to whatever you have. So I have multiple different instances or PCs. This is my gaming PC. This is my Raspberry Pi. It's running for years now. I did install it back 2 years ago and it's working. Interesting. I have my own VPS, but with limited power. Let my public VPS does it all. They are routing and tunnel. I find it much more easier than ngrok. So this is what I do. I just need to connect my Cloudflare DNS to this tunnel ID. That's it. There is no IP address. There is no port forward. There is no nothing. This has its own limitations. We cannot really use it as a media server or something. 100 or 200 Mbps, but that is much more. This is much more powerful and this is much more user friendly. Of course, they are going to do some upgrades, but it's been a long time I have upgraded these. I can do it mine. I hope you guys understand.